You recreated the scene. Were you there when? Because it is Yomi wa share one along. Because obviously you do not understand what you've just done. The reason most of us decided not to talk about this matter again is because it is in court. And I heard that there's a court directive after the last sitting that anybody should desist from talking about this or doing anything that will undermine the powers of the court in this case, and which is exactly what you have done. I am calling on the Nigerian police.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi FEMI branch jáde o, wá blast Yomi Fabiyi bí ó ṣe support bàbá IJESHA. Ó tún sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ń jà rìnrìn nípa BIOLA BAYO àti bàbá IJESHA lórí interview tí wọ́n jọ ṣe. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? Wàhálà ńlá kọ́ ló ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí lẹ́ẹ̀rin àwọn òṣèré wọ̀nyẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ.
I am calling on the Nigerian police to call Yomi Fabiyi to bring him to book. Because you are so brazen. I'm Kilo Bojule, no? Like seriously. Wait, I don't understand. Kilo Bojule. That you think you can just do anything and get away with it? You are not literate enough to know that you have broken the law in so many ways with what you did. I'm happy that you have entrapped yourself. A case that is still in court, and you did a movie, you recreated a scene of a case that is still in court. Were you there when it happened? So you are trying to subvert justice. In case you don't know, that's what you're trying to do. That is what you are trying to do. Didn't your lawyers advise you when they are aware of it? Didn't they see the script of this thing? No, so didn't they see the script? A case that is still in court, and you went and recreated the scene of a case that is still in court. How insensitive and brainless can you be? How insensitive and wicked can you be? How insensitive, even if you have your own personal beliefs that okay, the girl was clinical, as in, do you not understand the implication of what you have done? You are trying to subvert justice, Mr. Yomi Fabiyi. And you have just ensnared yourself. I'm happy with what you did. I am happy with what you did. Because you have just ensnared yourself. You have just ensnared yourself. I'm not going to call on anybody and to call you to order anything. You do not need anybody to call you to order because you know what you were doing. Rather, I will blame people that will rush to YouTube to go and steal because I know that's what you want. You like notoriety, you like attention. So you want people to at least, while the thing is still hot, to at least let them go there and watch, and maybe you make some small money and you do some clout chasing, make something to bring back your fame or whatever. But is it really worth it? Is it really worth it at the expense of a poor, innocent 14-year-old girl? Is it really worth it? How do you sleep at night, Yomi Fabiyi?